Lenovo V15 G2 ITL Core i5 Business Laptop. th Gen Intel Core i5-1135 G7 processor. 15.6 inches FHD, 1920x1080, TN, 250 nits, anti-glare. Integrated Intel Iris Z graphics. 65W round tip, 2-pin, wall mount, AC adapter. 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, storage 512GB SSD. Never surrender attitude, reliable, durable and ready to handle anything. This laptop undergoes various tests to determine whether it can survive extreme conditions like operating temperature tests, humidity tests, altitude tests and more. It's ready for whatever conditions you can put it through. Special attention to protection. While the TPM 2.0 encrypts important data and passwords, the physical camera shutter ensures complete privacy while working remotely. Stand out in style. Feather light yet sturdy, this laptop is easy and stylish to carry around. Its elegant design gives it a sleek look with a bold design. Lightning speed charge. A 5.5-hour battery life on a full charge gives you ample time to finish your tasks. Enjoy rapid charging up to 80% within just an hour. 6-row, spill-resistant, multimedia FN keys, numeric keypad, buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch touchpad. Notebooks powered by 11th Gen Intel Core processors and Intel UHD graphics. Also get a 15.6-inch laptop with Dolby Audio and dual array mics for a seamless audio-video experience. To top that, you also get narrower frame around the display that increases your viewing area for greater comfort. Feather light yet sturdy, this laptop is easy and stylish to carry around. Its elegant design gives it a sleek look with a bold design. Impeccable assistance for improved efficiency. Get your personal assistant that ensures all your drivers are updated, runs device diagnostics, requests support and improves security. This super assistant called Lenovo Vantage comes as a free application on V15.